बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। नाज़रीन, एक इंटरव्यू में जिसमें इमरान खान से ये पूछा गया कि वो कौन से हक़ाइक़ हैं, कौन सी ऐसी बातें हैं जिनकी बेस पे आप ये कहते हैं कि ये रजीम चेंज ऑपरेशन हुआ है, यानी आपकी जो हुकूमत थी उसको हटाया गया है यूएसए की तरफ से। तो ये आप खुद ही इमरान खान की ज़ुबानी ये बातें सुन लें, जिससे बड़ा वाज़ह हो जाता है कि वो कौन से हक़ाइक़ हैं जिनकी वजह से इमरान खान जो है वो ये कह रहे हैं कि यूएसए ने यहाँ के लोकल लोगों से मिल के हुकूमत चेंज की है।
I get a cipher. Cipher is a secret a message sent by your ambassadors. They are sent to the Foreign Office. It's like in WikiLeaks. You know, WikiLeaks was when they broke the code, so the secret messages were relayed to the public. So I get a cipher from my ambassador in the US, and it's an official meeting he has with this American undersecretary or whatever, Donald Lu. And me as the Prime Minister, I'm reading this cipher, and it says that unless you remove your Prime Minister through this vote of no confidence, which hadn't been tabled as yet, there will be consequences for Pakistan. And if you remove him, all will be forgiven. Now this is what me as a Prime Minister reading this cipher. And I'm the chief executive. Who was he asking to have me removed? So the next day after this meeting, official meeting with note takers, with minutes between our ambassador in Washington and this American official, Donald Lu, next day, the no confidence motion is tabled in our National Assembly. And then members of our party, which I told you were offered these huge sums to switch sides, they start leaving our party. Our allies leave our party. And just to remind you that at this time, in the last 2 years, Pakistan's growth rate was 5.6% last year. This time was 6%. It is one of the highest growth rates in Pakistan's history.
Right.
Our industry was booming, exports record, remittances record, tax collection record. We cope with the coronavirus. We are considered one of the 5 top countries which saved the people and our economy and our poor people from the virus. So there was no reason for the government suddenly to be removed.
तो जैसा कि आपने सुना, मैं इसको रिपीट नहीं करता, ये बातें बहुत क्लियर हैं। आप मेरे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लें और किसी और वीडियो में आपसे मुलाकात होगी। तब तक के लिए इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।